हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल पार्ट टाइम IT investor. Today is 24th of August. So I hope you had a very good and profitable day on Friday. I think market was there within our range which we discussed. So we will see okay how the market will be for next week. Okay, तो market next week कैसा रहेगा वो हम देखेंगे. लेकिन आज की सबसे बड़ी दो न्यूज़ जो है गाइस जो कि नेक्स्ट वीक इम्पैक्ट करेंगी हमारे मार्केट को. पहले हम लोग वो डिस्कस करेंगे हाउ इट विल बी इम्पैक्टिंग आवर मार्केट एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई वेंट हेड विद द मॉडिफाइड बटरफ्लाई bull butterfly strategy because over the weekend anything can happen. Market can gap down, market can gap up based upon the news. In the past couple of years I've seen that we need to be very careful if you wanted to carry forward the trade over the weekend, and accordingly we need to adjust our strategies as well. Okay, so I think I will speak more about that in my other video which I will be posting today late night. So please be stay tuned on our channel for that video. Okay, now let's quickly start. So what are those two news? Okay, first news is that guys, okay, that Jeremy Powell, okay, he is a US Fed chair. He has shown a positive sign for the rate cut in September. So guys, yeah, hota kya hai, I think so whenever US Fed they reduce the rate, okay, so dollar index, okay, or we can say dollar bond, okay. So dollar bond value will start falling. So currently it was 4.45% and it will start falling to 4.2 or 4%. So what will happen? Okay, that once rate of interest is cut, the investor will start investing in riskier asset. So that is stocks, crypto, okay, giving loan to businesses. Okay, so that's how this cycle works. So it's very good news for stock market. So he has not done the rate cut yet. उन्होंने rate cut किया नहीं अभी, but he has given a positive sign that he will be doing a rate cut in September. So due to which Dow Jones also rallied on Friday, almost I think 1.5%. Okay, and our Gift Nifty also was trading at 25K, almost I think 120 points. 120 points up our gift nifty. All right, so I think that's very good news guys. Okay, and overall I think this will be a start of bull run if Fed starts cutting rate in September. Okay, okay, then what is second good news? Okay, so second good news is tax cut. Okay, tax cut and GST reform are closer than you think. So government has said that we will not wait for Diwali. So coming September, which is 3rd and 4th, you can see over here, government is planning to implement those GST rate cut. Okay, so it's a very again good news for market. So two big good news, guys. Okay, which will be impacting Nifty on Monday. Okay, so I will not be surprised. Okay, if Nifty, okay, gap up. Okay, Nifty gap up by 1%. Okay, or 1.5%, it can happen. But let's say if it opens 1%, okay, so there is a possibility that it can continue to be in uptrend for another 2%. Okay, that is a possibility as well. Okay, so based upon that I think we need to be very careful because short covering will happen guys. Okay, if anyone would have made any position at 25,000, okay, these people will start exiting the position. Okay, and that will create a short covering. So that is something which needs to be cautioned. Okay. So another word of caution is that on 27th of August, 50% tariff of Trump will get implemented on India. Okay. So that is another caution I think which we need to look out for, because even though it will not be impacting India much because it's not on all the segments, it's only for particular products, but the sentiment will drive market down, and that will be the opportunity to buy. Okay, because red cut if it's happening on in September and GST, so that will give the boost to Nifty in near long term. Okay, so any opportunity which will be coming for the downward, I am planning to buy. Okay, so at least that's the plan. All right. So based upon this, okay, let's quickly go ahead and check how was the level on Friday and what was the analysis. So on Friday in my video, I clearly mentioned that market will remain in this range, which is 25,250 to 24,850. So market closed negative on Friday. It went as low as 24,870. Okay, so if you would have followed our analysis channels, I hope that would have benefited you in creating a strategy and booking a profit. Okay, so I think our analysis were up to the mark. All right. Okay, now let's go ahead and check how market will be for coming Monday. What can the levels? All right. So let me go to trading view platform. Okay, so guys, these were our levels, okay, which we discussed, and you can see exactly at this level market closed. Okay, exactly at this level, 24,870. Okay, so if you doubt me, guys, you can go ahead and check my video, okay, which I posted on Friday. So just for your reference, I will go back over here. So this is our favorite channel, Part-Time IT Investor. So in this video, okay, I had posted these levels accurately. All right. So before we proceed with our further analysis, guys, if you're new to our channels, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for the latest update and levels. All right. Now let's go ahead and go back to our trading view platform. Okay. So guys, since we have two big news, okay, it's very difficult to predict. Okay, and it's very difficult to keep a tab on it, okay, how much level it can go, okay, but my point of concern still remains same, this gap, okay, which is 24,700, okay, and this high level which is 25,250. Okay, so I'm still optimistic that market can go as high as 25,250 tomorrow. Okay, and based upon that, I think I will be playing my strategy. Okay, so there's very less possibility that market will continue its downward journey towards 24,700. So this I will take it as a support level, 24,870. Okay, so first target, okay, let me again erase this. So first target for tomorrow, okay, will be 25k. Okay, and if it breaks, then second will be 25,000, somewhere around 150. Third will be 25,250. Okay, so basically this I'm expecting that market will continue to remain upside. Okay, somewhere around 25,150 or 25,200 around this level. Okay, and on 27th of August, I'm expecting market to fill this gap. Okay, so that's what I'm expecting. So based upon that, I think I will create my strategy or update my strategy. As of now, my existing strategy, okay, is modified butterfly, pull butterfly. Okay, so the way it is like this. Okay, so this is the strategy which I'm having. So currently we are in some minor profit of 300 rupees or so. But if tomorrow market gaps up, okay, then we might be in MTM loss. So like I mentioned on Friday, you can go ahead and check my video. I'll be converting my butterfly strategy, okay, to bear call spread, okay, like this, by selling the CE which I have bought once the market gap up. So this was the specific reason for which I have created the strategy, because any gap up I will be selling or exiting this strategy and will be further shifting away my CE sell side, that I will explain in the sensible now. Okay, so before we move to the next point, let me again reiterate the levels. I think 25k is a level at higher level than 25 150, then 25 250. These are the level which I'll be watching out for, and then at the lower side it will be 24,700, for which possibility is very low. All right, okay then, perfect. Okay, now let's go ahead and check our sensible. Okay, So let's first go ahead and quickly check the open interest data. Okay. So open interest data, you can see PCR is 0.62. Okay. So which is showing bearish. Okay. And here 24,900, I think here short covering can happen. Then biggest resistance is at here. Okay. So at least I'm expecting a gap opening of around 24,950 to 24,000. Yes. So here at 25k we'll be having resistance, guys. Okay. Once it breaks, then I think next target will be 25,150. So I think in this scenario, guys, in case of new scenario, this option data will not be much of an useful. Okay. We just have to see which option can create a short covering. So what I can see, this option, which is 24,900, can create a short covering, and second big one is 25k. So once this level are broken at the upward side, we can further see a boost of another 100 to 150 points, which can take it as high as 25,250 or 25,200. Okay, that's a word of caution. Okay, perfect. So let me go ahead and see those two, open interest changes. Yes, yes, I think we are good. Okay, now let's go ahead and check the FI data. Okay, this is interesting. I think DII has also sold on Friday, as well as FIR both have sold. So it seems they were trying to create a position to trap the retail investor. That's what I can think, because DII has also sold it. Now if I go on to see the future also they went ahead with bearish. Okay, option also bearish. Okay, this is confusing, guys. Okay, all the data is pointing towards bearish sign. Okay, so we need to be very careful, guys. If that is the case, I will again revisit, okay, my chart over here, which option data and FI data is showing bearish. It can happen. Okay, so it can happen that they will try to further pull down the market to 24,700. From here it can again do the gap up. It can again go up. Okay, so this possibility is also high based upon the option data. So there are two possibilities in August. It will open around 24,950. Okay, from here it will break it to 24,000, 25,150. Second possibility is it will open constant, okay, at the same level, and it will further go to the downward journey of 24,700. If this happens, this is a very good buying point, and from here it can again trace back to 25,000. This possible scenario, I think can happen, but broader range will be 25,150 to 24,700. This will be the broader range. All right. Okay. So now I think we have confirmed our level based upon the option data. Okay. And this thing. So I think we are good. Now let's go ahead with my open position. So guys, this is my open position, which I have explained yesterday, modified bull butterfly. So if you see, guys, so probability of profit is 96%. Okay. So the reason I have taken this strategy, because over the weekend I generally don't carry any risk, especially when you are in almost 15.5k profit for August month. Okay, based upon I think 3 lakh capital. So I think that's very good ratio which I'm entering. So I wanted to reduce the risk. So if you see the P of graph over here, guys. Okay, so if market opens standstill, I will be in 1,200 bucks profit. Okay, if market reverses, okay, and let's say go as high as 25,000. Okay, so still I will be in very less loss of 800 to 900 rupees. Okay, so that is also good. Good plan for me, guys. Okay, over here. So my next plan for Monday will be, okay, so let's assume that market will open at 24,970, 100 points gap up, which is a worst case scenario for my strategy. It can also open gap down based upon the option data, but for my strategy, okay, my worst case scenario is if it is on gap up. Okay, So let's go to Monday. Okay, on Monday 25 I will go AM 12 and 9 9:30. Okay, so in this case also, okay, if it opens, then I will be in profit of around 1,830 rupees. Okay, so if it opens gap up, then of course I will be exiting the strategy at instant. Okay, because like I mentioned, if Eufira will continue, then it will go as high as 25,150 to 200. Okay, even though it go as high as 25,000 to 150, okay, you can see we are still in safe zone till the expiry. Okay, but I don't want to remain till expiry over, because on 27th we have holiday as well. Okay, so accordingly I think there's a lot of risk involved in this case as well. Okay, so I think I will be exiting strategy and keep mum at least for next couple of days. Okay, but I will be planning a separate Nifty B strategy that is called covered Nifty call. I think for that only I am going to post a video today evening. Okay, please do check that out. All right, it's a very low risk strategy, I think, which I'll be playing. Okay, so I think second thing which I can also do. Okay, you can see over here. So what I will do, I will book the profit, okay, of 25,200 over here. Okay, so if you see, okay, if I go over here in some MPF graph, so let's say if open 25,960, right? So in this case, oh, I will be still in loss over here. If it opens 24,960 on Monday, that is good for me. Hmm. Alright, guys, so I don't have any option actually at 9:30. Okay, if this option is not positive, okay, then I need to exit. So this positive, this will come on positive on if it breaches 25,000, which I don't think so, that market will do this thing. Okay, guys, so I don't have any option apart from exiting this strategy with water profit, which I will be getting on Monday. Okay, maybe $1,000 or this, so that is also fine with me. Okay, I think anyway it is automation for me, guys. Okay, if you see, let me go to the stake platform for you. So this is the automation which I have already created for this strategy, guys. Okay, and based upon that, my stop loss and entry are already placed. We are already in 330 rupees profit, but I have added extra hedge over here, guys. Okay, so I added extra hedge. Okay, due to which you can see our MTM profit will be around how much? 260 rupees. Okay, so that is also fine with me. All right. So apart from that, I think we are good and covered for Monday. Let's go ahead and quickly check the swing trade plan. So TCS I think is not doing good. CDSL I think I will again add. Dr. Lab I think we are already in. Center Pro I think we are already in. CAM service it has not already breached 4,000 or yet. Other power again coming down to 550 if it comes. Okay, so I think we are all set, guys, for Monday. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, guys, okay, so this is our channel. Okay, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. This is your part-time IT Investor channel. So today evening also I am going to schedule a separate call and video. Okay, in order to discuss my strategy. Okay, on the Nifty Bs, which can be which is sort of swing trading. Okay, so if you are not gone through and check my VWAP based strategy, guys, okay, this is a strategy which I created. Please do check and watch that out. Okay, and how it has performed in our live market. Okay, so that is also I have covered. And so far, I think 7,000. I think I was able to book profit for this week. Sorry, last week using this strategy. Okay, so similarly, I think other strategies also I have discovered over here. Please do check out this video as well. So these are all free strategy, guys, using free tools on the website of Zerodha and platform. Okay, so I think that's it for my side, guys. Have a nice evening on Sunday. So see you tomorrow in the morning. Bye bye for now.